In this video, I'm going to talk about how you could potentially fix if some of your buttons are not working on your microwave right now. So as you can see, I have this kind of microwave right now, and it's actually like a really old one, unfortunately. And before I had the problems that actually these two right here weren't working like as they should. And basically what I did, this is a very quick solution that worked for me specifically. So I'm not saying that it's going to work for everybody, unfortunately. And what I did was that I basically just unplugged the power cord to my microwave and I put it back in again. And by the way, don't do it unless you're 100% sure that the microwave that you have is okay to actually unplug, just so you know. So double check so that everything is okay. And if it is, then you can of course unplug it. So actually for me, it's like the plug is way back here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going right here, as you can see. So I had to actually unplug it and plug it back in, and then like miraculously I was able to use these two again. They were not like working whatsoever before, but after I unplugged it, plugged it back in, it was working. And if it's still not working for you, even though you have tried with this, what I will do is that I would actually check the logo on, as you can see, there's a logo on this one right here, which is mine, which is the brand of my microwave. You can give them a call on their customer service. You can explain to them that you have a specific button that are not working, and you want them to be able to help you basically. And hopefully they will be able to actually give you some instructions on that specific microwave, because unfortunately we all probably have different microwaves, right? And not everybody is the same. So if you have one button and you have tried to unplug it and plug it back in and it's still not working, it's always best to check with the customer service of that specific brand, and they will be able to help you to fix it.